Length tip. Experiment with video lengths. Even super short videos under 15 seconds can do really well. Audio hack. Good audio quality is crucial for YouTube Shorts. Make sure your voice is clear and the background noise is minimal. Giveaway idea. Host quick giveaways through YouTube Shorts to engage and give back to your audience. Growth hack. Consistently posting YouTube Shorts can significantly improve your channel's growth rate. Trend alert. Jump on trends quickly and create your version through YouTube Shorts for more exposure. Thanks for watching this video. I have prepared 15-module complimentary course on the topic exploring the world of YouTube Shorts for businesses. Grab your copy by clicking the link given in description. And don't forget to like and share this video and hit the bell icon so you can get all updated videos in future.